They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and this home does not waste the opportunity to impress. Welcome to 178 Fairmount Avenue, the grandest of homes set along Millionaire's Row in Chatham, New Jersey. This classic Spanish colonial with white stucco, red tile roof, arched entrances and windows is an architectural gem. The grand foyer is absolutely stunning. The exquisite quarter-sawn oak floors, walls, and ceilings set the tone and expectation of the classic styling found throughout the home. The dining room easily accommodates seating for 10 or more guests and features one of the home's 5 fireplaces. Notice the built-in china cabinets, which pass through light from the adjacent family room. The living room is perfect for grand style entertaining, with French doors opening onto the bluestone veranda shaded by the trumpet vine covered pergola and overlooking nearly an acre of expansive lawn. The main floor transitions into a modern, comfortable living space. The well-appointed kitchen flows into the family room. Both were recent additions to the home. The second floor bedrooms are spacious and include a master suite with a private walkout balcony. Hi, I'm Debbie Woerner with Coldwell Banker. Call me today to arrange a private tour of this magnificent home.